Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essential inputs and starting Janitor AI now. Sign in and enable 2FA for security, then upload or link your primary source files, PDF, CSV, and URLs. Once done, choose a workspace and pick the model and temperature, lower temp for deterministic results, higher for creative editing. Make sure to set output format and file naming conventions before you run any tasks, because consistent settings speed up batch processing and reduce manual cleanup later. You now configure the middle steps. Create a clear task and provide 1 or 2 examples so the model understands the desired output. Specify parsing rules, rejects for ID, delimiters for tables and date formats to reduce errors during extraction. Test with 1 to 3 representative documents and review the results carefully. Iterate on prompts and rules until outputs match expectations. After that, switch to batch mode and enable parallel runs. This keeps throughput high while preserving the validated pipeline. You finish by exporting and automating the cleaned outputs. Choose CSV or JSON and confirm field names and schema match your downstream system. Once exported, set schedules and alerts for ongoing jobs, add retention or compliance policies, and document the pipeline. If something goes wrong, first recheck parsing rules, sample size, and model temperature, then inspect input file quality for hidden formatting issues. If needed, rerun the small test, set after adjustments to confirm the fix before full reprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.